Emperor's
I
new
just
clothes.
did a new version of the Emperor's new clothes. In the future, everything's made with 3D printers, right? So the emperor of this small country says, I want new clothes. In comes these two guys who were accused of, being not so honest. Everyone knew that, but they wanted to turn their life around this time. And they said, this new technology, sir, it makes it's so thin, but it'll protect you. It's also bulletproof and fireproof. It's the best clothes ever. Oh, yes, I'm the emperor. Give me the new clothes. So the two new guys, they have this printer, 3D printer thing. They go, but, you can't see it. There's nothing there. Everyone's like, oh man, these guys are fake. Oh, the 3D printer probably wasn't even charged. They were just faking it. No, sir, it's for real. You can do it. So he chooses to believe him, and he struts down Main Street. He's, naked. You can see him naked, his big butt waving in the street. And everyone knows the old story, Emperor's New Clothes, especially the royal assassin of the neighboring place. And he takes advantage of this. And he gets his gun, and he gets ready to shoots a dart, we'll say, with poison. But it tinks off. Because this time, they really did it. Because technology is so advanced. And they saved the king. The new clothes from the 3D printer was real. It was just so thin and invisible. Redemption for the two ex-con men. And everyone was happy and rejoiced. And pretty soon, everyone had these new clothes and everyone was naked. Yay! And they were safe and guns were useless and peace reigned. Yay! The emperor's new clothes, everyone's new clothes. Let's get naked!